Hi, I'm Altasciences.
And I'm a standard CRO. Whoa, what is that?
It's our centralized scheduling system. It's how we build and optimize a client's entire early phase journey. What are you up to?
Oh, I am getting ready to run the clinical leg of a client study. Waiting for my turn with the baton.
Expecting a lot of hurdles.
Likely. That's why I'm stretching. Shouldn't you be getting ready?
Oh, no hurdles here. We keep it in-house, so you could say we're always ready.
No handoffs? But what about the thrill of receiving the baton and then passing it on to the next CRO?
We get our thrills from shrinking our clients' timelines by up to 40% and celebrating key milestones quicker.
Oh, come on. How?
Lots of ways. We can update the investigator's brochure while IND-enabling studies are still running.
Well, I am totally ready for this. I'm like a tightly wound cheetah ready to pounce.
We can even time small-scale drug formulation to clinical conduct, so first-in-human trials start sooner. No waiting for the baton. So, when's that baton arriving?
Any minute now.
I'll leave you to it.
You're gonna miss it. Any minute now. Hello? I'm still here.